We're Casamara, and over the last few years, we have dominated the bathroom space. With 4 campaigns launched, 111,000 products shipped to over 100 countries. We're back. And by popular demand, we're venturing beyond the bathroom with 2 new products guaranteed to knock your socks off. Introducing the One Slippers and Blanket. Designed with an oversized honeycomb weave that keeps you cool and warms you up at the same damn time. It's soft, breathable, and perfect for year-round lounging. 100% machine washable, built to last you through the end of time and beyond. The slippers are designed to be the perfect companion to take you from couch to kitchen and back, with zero compromise on comfort. They're the blanket to your feet and suitable for all times you're vertical. Triple stitched with a suede sole for a sturdy grip, and a tasty bounce you'll feel with every step. Like all of our products, they're sustainably made and packaged with zero plastics. Get comfy with us